Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have SoundPeats TrueCapsule Bluetooth wireless earbuds and you need to do a hard factory reset on them. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first reason would be for troubleshooting. If the earbuds will not connect to your Bluetooth, or they will not connect to your device, or they will not sync with your device, or they will not pair with your device, or if you have sound only coming out of the left or right ear, any kind of functionality issues can be fixed very often with a hard reset to factory default settings. The other reason is if you just want to clear out the pairing history so that you can set them up on a new phone or device without them remembering any other devices, we can go ahead and do that. It's very easy to do. So all you'll need to do is we're going to go ahead and put our earbuds in the case, close the case, and then open the case and have them just like shown here. We're going to go on our devices and turn the Bluetooth off and have them forget these earbuds. Once we do that, we can come in and simultaneously hold the back of both of the earbuds at the multifunction button and hold that for 10 seconds. And you'll just continue to hold until you see the indicator light blink white twice, indicating the reset is complete. You can take the earbuds out and set them up as new earbuds.